Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're checking out the best OBD2 diagnostic tools for car that can help you understand your vehicle like a pro. If you want to save money on repairs and quickly find out what's going on under the hood, this one is worth your attention. Let's get started. The MuCar CDE 900 OBD2 Diagnostic Tools for Car is built with powerful hardware that delivers fast and smooth performance. It comes with a quad-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of ROM. This setup allows the device to run diagnostics without lag or freezing. Even when scanning complex systems, it responds quickly and gives you accurate results. That makes it suitable for both professional mechanics and car owners who like to handle their own maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of the MuCar CDE 900 is its Wi-Fi-enabled lifetime free updates. This means the device stays current with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic protocols. You do not have to worry about outdated software. Just connect to Wi-Fi and update easily. It keeps your tool ready for newer cars and advanced systems, which is a huge benefit over basic scanners. Language support is another strong point. The MuCar CDE 900 supports 20 different languages. This makes navigation easier for users around the world. The interface is designed to be clear and user-friendly, so even beginners can move through menus and options without confusion. When it comes to diagnostic coverage, this tool goes far beyond basic code reading. It can access multiple vehicle systems, including ABS, SRS, TCM, and ECM. That means you are not just checking the engine light. You can analyze braking systems, airbag systems, transmission control modules, and engine control modules. This deep level of access helps you identify issues more accurately and fix problems faster. The MuCar CDE 900 also offers expandable software options. If you need more advanced features, you can choose optional paid upgrades to customize the tool according to your needs. Whether you are focused on general maintenance or more specialized diagnostics, this flexibility makes the device more versatile. In real use, this tool helps you understand error codes clearly and see detailed system information. Instead of guessing what a warning light means, you can get specific data and take the right action. This can save time, reduce unnecessary repair costs, and give you more confidence when dealing with vehicle issues. The design feels solid and professional. The screen is clear, and the device is comfortable to hold while working around the car. It is built to handle regular use in garages or home workshops. Know your car better and fix problems faster. If you are looking for a powerful and reliable diagnostic tool with advanced system access and lifetime updates, this is a great choice. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.